What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. It is September the 6th. We are out here in back in Columbia, South Carolina. Really smooth ride, right up 20 West. So anyway, guys, this is the same client. We did a house for him 2 days ago. Was it Wednesday or Thursday? And he was so happy that we was able to save those floors. He got us to come do another house that he also has on the market. He said, Courtney, let's go ahead and spruce these floors up, man. And also we did a job yesterday. Miss Wendy, she was so happy, man. She's already sent me 2 referrals. One of those referrals, I'm going to look at their floors Monday. She also wrote me a great 5-star review on Google. So anyway, guys, we're out here doing these are engineered floors. Going to be a screen recoat with UV cure. So let me flip this around, show you what we got going today. All right, guys, beautiful day out here in Columbia, South Carolina. This is he has the movers out here moving the furniture because it's staged. He said, Courtney, I got it staged, but just want to make these floors look better because a few people have said something about the floors. So what we're just going to do, guys, is our world famous Truman screen and recoat. So we got these floors right here. All right, then all through here. This is a nice size house too. Now I'm gonna get the furniture moved out of here, and then we got this one. They just cleared the furniture out of here, and then coming through here. So guys, the floors has a lot of scuff marks, scratches. It just looked really worn. It just looks really worn, and then they got to get a bed out of here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, so that's better. And then you got all through here. So the floors are they just need some good TLC, and just a screen or recoat. It's gonna really bring these floors back to life. So what I'm doing, guys, I was just testing different grits to see which one I wanted to go with. I got tea with me, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this floor out probably about 4 or 5 hours, and then gonna be off tomorrow, chill out tomorrow, Sunday. Monday, we're not gonna work Monday, gonna do some stuff at the office, and then I also got 3 consultations Monday, and then we are booked out all next week, Tuesday through Saturday. Next Saturday, going to Chattanooga to do an engineered floor and countertops, and then already got 2 jobs so far going into the following week. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let me show you a difference. Look right here. So I had Tavares vacuum over here, and I stopped. So right up in here, you see right there. So if you look close, you see the difference, how much cleaner the floors are now. Because what we're doing, we're screening and we're leveling it down. Now this is what I tell people. With screen, it will not get out deep gouges, deep scratches, because all you're doing is trying to level it down. So this is sometimes you have to sand the floor. But with this floor, it was mostly just surface scratches. So you see stuff like this here, little stuff like this here. If you notice it, you do not see it over here anymore. See how much better the floors look? And then I took a flat mop, just a little water, and just cleaned it. So you can see the difference. You can even see the boards. See how the boards look really dirty? And you come over here, see how they look clean? All right, so that's all we're doing, guys. So like stuff like this, just leveling it down, just a little surface scratch. And even sometimes the surface scratches won't come completely out, but definitely less noticeable. So if you can see right there, that's a huge difference. It's even got the floors looking lighter. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, you can see just how much lighter this floor is gonna look so good. You can just see how much lighter the floor is compared to the part I haven't screened yet. The CNT is backing me. Look at the difference in the boards. Huge difference. Huge difference. All right, guys, these floors screened up really good. Now it's time for the coating. This is a big house, especially for a ranch. Be careful with this, guys. I was doing the Hotel Bardo in Savannah. I think it was last year, and the bucket accidentally flipped over. Oh man, that was the first and the last. All right, guys, stay tuned. That's good. So you want to go there? All right, guys, look at these floors now, man. Sometimes I'm telling you, that's all your floors need, just a good screen and recoat. And again, I have people that send me pictures all the time. Some floors just cannot be screen or recoated. Some floors need to be sanded or just replaced. But this was a great candidate for the screen and recoat. So I'm about to do, get this UV cured, and then we will be heading back to Georgia. Thank you so much, Columbia, South Carolina, man. 2 jobs this week, same client. Really loved our work. And yeah, man, we do travel. Like I said, we're actually going to Chattanooga next Saturday. I've been to Alabama, Florida, other parts of the South Carolina, Greenville. Been up there numerous times. That's a really just a. I'd rather go to Greenville than Atlanta. Man, just the traffic, just dealing with Atlanta. But yeah, guys, these floors came out great. As you can see, nice. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get these floors UV cured, and that would be it. I'm gonna end the video right here. And yeah, man, we have a busy week next week. Not working out. Well, I'm working Monday. I got 3 in-home consultations Monday. Oh, that's beautiful. And yeah. All right, guys. Thanks again. I must say, man, this is a beautiful home, a beautiful big home. I don't know if I've ever seen a ranch this big, man. This is a nice home. All right, guys, see you in the next one.